Welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we're going to be funding our Unisat wallet. Yes, okay, so in the previous video, we showed how you can set up a Unisat wallet, and we also made mention of the fact that you need to be on the Taproot, right? Like you need to be on the Taproot address type, which starts with the BC1P. Yeah, okay, so now we need to fund this wallet, and all we need to do is tap on receive. Once you tap on receive, you can simply scan the QR code, or you tap on copy to copy the address. Another way you can copy the address is to head back and then tap on this copy icon here beside Taproot. And what you need to do now is to head over to a centralized exchange like Git.io, MEXC, Bitget, Bybit, Binance, just simply buy Bitcoin on those centralized exchanges with your USDT, and then you can then transfer funds from those centralized exchanges into your Bitcoin wallet, that is a Unisat wallet. All right, so let's head over to Gate. Okay, so this is my Gate account, and there's about $81 worth of Bitcoin in here. All you need to do is to tap on withdrawal. So whatever centralized exchange you're using, just simply tap on withdrawal, tap on on-chain withdrawal. All right, so once we're on this page, all you need to do is to paste the address. So either you paste the address or you scan the QR code, just like I made mention before. You just tap on this and scan the QR code. Okay, so in this case we'll be pasting the address, and then we select the network, and the network is going to be Bitcoin. All right, so just select Bitcoin network. It doesn't matter if you're on the native SegWit or if you're on Taproot. What matters then is the address that you're pasting, right? So if you want to send Taproot Bitcoin, you need to impute the Taproot address, which is what I've imputed here already. And if you want to send the native SegWit, you impute the native SegWit Bitcoin address, but the network remains the same. You need to send more than the minimum, right? So if you send, you need to send about, so if it says the minimum is 0.0006, just try to send 0.0007. Reason being, you'd still be required to pay fees of 0.001. Okay, so ensure you send, like, just for safe side, ensure you put input 0.007, and you would see that the receiving Bitcoin in the wallet will be 0.006. Okay, so on Gate.io, the Bitcoin fees is about $6 ish, depending on the price of Bitcoin though, but 0.001 as at the time of this video. Okay, but on the MEXC it's a bit cheaper, it's half the amount. I believe the fee is 0.000, like 4 zeros and a 5. So it's more like half the amount. So if you have a verified MEXC account, you can use that to fund your Unisat wallet. All right, guys, so this is the process, and once you do that, you just tap on withdraw, and once you tap on withdraw, you'll be requested to impute your code. That is, you can see it's trying to tell you to verify. You want to send 0.006 BTC to this address, and then once you confirm, to require you to put your password, email verification, and all that's necessary for you to send your funds out. And once this has been completed and your withdrawal is processed, and rest assured that your Bitcoin will arrive with Unisat wallet. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you do find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.